Hello, this is the luckiest maths teacher in the world. Thank you so much for tuning into this video in which we will look at time graphs. So when I talk about time graphs in this lesson, we're talking about line graphs with time on the horizontal axis. So here is a time graph. We're talking about distance comparison to time. So let's say that this was like a family trip. So distance could be in kilometers and time could be in hours. So what is this graph telling us? Well, what happened is, they started traveling, they started home, hadn't gone any distance, and they went 100 kilometers in 1 hour. They went another 100 kilometers over the next 2 hours, and then we see a flat line here. So whenever you see a flat line, see the distance isn't going up, we're not increasing distance, but time is still occurring. So if you're not actually moving, of course, flat lines mean that you're stopped. So if this was like a family journey, they stopped at this time and then they started going again. So the steeper the line, the faster they are going. So this line here is steeper than this line and this line. You can see this graph is just like a collection of like 4 different lines. So because this line is the steepest, this is where they were traveling the fastest. So between 5 and 8 hours, they were going the fastest. So here, they went from 200 up to 600 kilometers in 3 hours. So they went 400 kilometers in 3 hours. Here they went 100 in 1 hour. So here they went 100 kilometers per hour. Here 400 kilometers in 3 hours. That's slightly faster. That's like 133 and a third kilometers per hour. So here, because this line is flatter, this is where they were traveling the slowest. They stopped here, but this is where they were traveling slower. So steeper lines mean you're going faster, flatter lines mean you're going slower. The steeper the line, the faster the rate of increase. So overall, this shows a journey of going 600 kilometers. This is where it ends, in 8 hours. All right, thank you so much for tuning into this video. This has been the luckiest maths teacher in the world. Have a great day.